My name is Luis Vindel, owner of San Diego Paverscapes. We're here in Oak Park in San Diego. And basically what we did here is a re-landscape of the whole project. Customers gave me a call and came over, met with them. And I started, showing them around some of the products that I could do. And since I'm an avid customer at RCP, I brought the RCP catalog. And we started looking at pavers. They fell in love with the Twilight pavers. It's one of the newest pavers at RCP. Then we started talking about what they wanted to do, and they were interested in having a backyard that could look like Hawaii. And I showed them fire pits from RCP, water features, turf. We put it all together, and then we started with something really small, went big. So originally when we first came, this was just an open patio, and they wanted to have, because of the rain, they have so much rain here, early when we first started this project. So they wanted to enclose the patio, so we took down the old patio, we built a new patio in here, put some LED lights, and we also used some veneer from RCP, and we enclosed their patio. So they can come out here at night, in case it's raining, they can be under this patio. Then we move on to the second patio. They had an idea of having a patio with a fire pit. Again, they thought of having just a normal wood-burning fire pit, but when I showed them that they can have a gas line, a gas fire pit, we gave them this idea and they loved it. We raised up this patio so that they can have a nice cozy area. Again, they love the fire feature, so we added the water feature as well. It's a nice combination, and we did this as well. We got all the rocks and all the materials again, RCP. We used some Black Beach pebbles to match the pavers. And if you look going in this direction, they wanted to have a separate little patio. In case they have a party, they wanted to make sure to have 3 different areas for the party. So this would be another third area that they would have. And there was even room for the dog area. We also added some turf. First we started off with a little small area of turf, but they loved the turf so much, they said go ahead and just add it, fill it up some more. So we ended up getting the turf also at RCP, which is a beautiful product. We are here in the front yard. They love their back there so much that they want to do the front yard. And I gave them the idea of why don't we just do the whole driveway? And we actually went ahead and built their driveway, 1,500 square feet. And we made it a little bit bigger for their boat to come in. And we added a nice feature right in the middle. They wanted a circle pattern, and came out looking really beautiful. Customers are very happy for it. And this completed their project front and back. So all my products are at RCP, from pavers, from retaining walls, fire pits, barbecues, you name it, they have it. So I use all their products. I'm very happy with their product. I would recommend RCP to everybody. In fact, I have it at my house. So, if I have it at my house, definitely recommend it to everybody outside.